Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about the steering wheel cover. Before we get started, I do want to mention I was given this product in exchange for this video, but I'm going to do a first, for me at least. This is going to be a 2021 Ford F-150 steering wheel cover, but we are going to try it out on the BMW E39. So let's go ahead and try it out. All right, so here it is. This cover has this bottom part, which is a longer leather. The top part will be the shorter leather. And this is pretty much how you install it. And the cool thing is this one fits good, but you don't have to struggle that much to install it. And by the way, this is a 2021 F-150 steering wheel cover, and it fits your BMW E39. Now, this is not going to be for everybody, of course. You're gonna have your purists that aren't going to like it either. So once you install it, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off to get it the right way. Okay, so make sure you align it, because if you don't align it, it's gonna look off. But I mean, it fits, and you don't struggle that much installing it, which is cool. And there it is. Fits like a glove. Fits like a glove. Fits nice, and there you have it. So here you go. It's a closer look at it, and looks great overall. This is like a soft material, cloth material like feeling. It's perforated as well, and this is leather. It was easy to install. It is compatible with the BMW 528i, 540i, years 1996 through 2003. But overall, it looks great. It fits great. It fits like a glove. It's not slipping. So I will be doing some driving with it. I'm just getting a feel to see if it'll be moving around, but overall it does not feel like it's going to be moving around. All right everyone, so the steering wheel cover looks great, and we're going to go ahead and test it out, do a few driving around a little bit. And so I will be updating this video in a few days, and I have been driving around with the steering wheel cover on, and so far it has not come off the steering wheel or slipped off or anything like that. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to hit the bell button for future videos on more products. Anyways, we'll catch you on the next one.